Hey guys, it's Chris from Tech and Tesla. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing the Tesla wall connector. So in a previous video I did the unboxing for you guys. We have it over here. Plan is to install it right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to punch into the basement over here. We're going to come up the wall, probably on the inside, come out across the top with the conduit, go across the ceiling, and back down on this side. And the point of having it here is when I pull on the Tesla this way, the charging port should be right here. So that's the plan. So here we are with the time lapse of the installation. It took over 12 hours, but I condensed this down to just a couple minutes. So we're planning out running the wire inside the wall, but that ended up not being able to work because of fire stops. So we have the conduit, we had to thread it manually on each end, and we are currently feeding the wire through the pipe, and we're going to mount it on the wall that we wanted to run on the inside. Now, my brother-in-law is an electrician, he knows what he's doing. I'm more of a helper, but as you can see, it takes a long time with just one person. So we have the first pipe up, first conduit is there, second conduit going across the ceiling now, and we're working on the third conduit on the other side of the garage. Now, if I knew what was involved, I would have left the charger on the first side, but it's actually best this way because it'll be right next to the car. So, working into the late hours of the night, we're finally wiring up the charger. And then you have to commission the charger, which involves a setup wizard and setting the amperage and the circuit breaker, and you set everything up on the phone. And then it connects to Wi-Fi and it does updates on its own. So here we are, we finally have it on the wall. So in my next video, I will show you the delivery of the car, charging it, and I look forward to sharing a lot more with you guys. So please subscribe, hit the like button, go to my Patreon page if you can, and don't forget about using a referral code for the 1,000 supercharger miles. Take care.